Welcome to CompanionBirdMinistries.com. The specific purpose of Companion Birds Ministries is to rescue, tame, and train birds as certified service birds to serve as companions to aid in the relief of stress and anxiety in elderly and special populations. We also perform community service and educational performances to promote the respect and awareness of birds and their habitats. Our performing birds in training receive a full hour of training every day. Certified service birds are donated and performances are conducted free of charge. Donations, however, are accepted. Your donations help our performing parrots provide educational performances and therapeutic presentations that profoundly touch the spirit of our wonderful audiences. Fly on board Companion Bird Ministries. Thank you.